Hi guys, thank you so much for checking out my Etsy shop today with Terri K and purchasing from me. I am beyond excited, but I know starting a new planner can be really confusing and difficult, but getting it installed I find is one of the hardest. So once you've added the design that you like into your cart and you get checked out, we're going to go step by step on how I was able to download to my husband's iPad so that you can walk along with me. Are you ready? Okay, so we got it purchased, and at the top you are going to be able to click that view receipt button, and it's going to tell you check your email for a download link or use your desktop. Now before we get to the planner, make sure you have an annotation app already downloaded on your iPad or your tablet. So I'm going to go to the Apple Store. Now, this tablet I already have GoodNotes installed, so it's hard to show, but I just do a search of annotation apps, and I get a huge list of things, and several of these I have heard work quite well. So you get to choose the one that you prefer. I will tell you, if you have an Apple product, most everyone prefers GoodNotes, and they have now updated it to GoodNotes 6. But I've got Notability, you've got Xodo, you've got a ton of them, but most of the ones that you're going to be seeing reviewed are going to be using the GoodNotes app, so that's the one I highly recommend, even though there's a small purchase fee for that. Once you have that installed, we are going to be ready to move on. This is a quick view of the way mine looks. I've got it into folders because I've got several planners now. So let's go check out our email. Use the same email that you've got linked to your Etsy shop. And there we go. I've got my link. Scrolling down through, I've got just a quick little thank you, and click to view files on Etsy. So click that link, and now we're back over at Etsy. You're going to go up to the top where your icon has a notification. All right, this opens up the thank you, and this is the detailed instructions. So I want you to keep this handy because it does walk you step by step through everything. Clicking download now is going to open up Google Drive, which is a free product of Google. You just need to log in using the same email that you have with your Etsy shop, and it's going to automatically open up this preview of the planner that you purchased. Now, we're just going to close that out because we don't want to just preview it, we want to download it. This is the files that you got. You're going to get those three little dots, and now we are just going to click open in, and that is going to let us choose the annotation app that you already have downloaded. Now, if you haven't already downloaded an annotation app, you definitely will want to go through and get that going before you start the process, because now we're going to just open in GoodNotes, which is the app that I prefer and that I think is probably the easiest. And we're going to import it as new, so as a new document, and you can move it into a file. You can do all kinds of things once you get it imported, but this is importing the full file onto your iPad into GoodNotes so that you do not have to have the internet in order to get on here and do all the planning that you would like. So once this completes importing to your GoodNotes file, I'm going to go ahead and click into it. Yep, now I'm going to go ahead and click it. This is the actual planner. It is on your GoodNotes annotation app, and you are ready to get started. If you want to know even more about your planner and how I set it up, I will include videos in the Customer Hub, which you now have full access to. So feel free to go explore and have fun. Happy planning. Bye.